All right, if you've ever been bow fishing before, you probably had a pretty crappy outing that first trip. If you've shot a bow before for deer hunting or just target practice, it's a lot different than shooting at a fish. Shooting at a fish, you don't have sights. Not to mention, you can't aim directly at the fish because of the refraction. You got to aim below the fish, so it's kind of awkward. So anytime I take people bow fishing for the first time, I'll tell them on the way up there, don't expect to hit a fish your first outing. You're gonna miss a lot. Even me, which I don't consider myself some kind of great bow fisherman, but I can get on them pretty good. And on a good day, I maybe hit 1 out of 3 or 4. So you're gonna miss. So I try to, let people know, not to expect a whole lot or the first trip or two. And it's the same way earlier this June when I took my son Easton bow fishing for the first time. I built a bow, I had a video of it, and I built this bow specifically for anybody that goes with me. And it shot good that day. I think I shot 5 or 6 carp. The only problem I had was with the rest. The rest was a little wonky. So I come home and tried to cut part of the rest off, and I did, but while doing that, I also nicked the string with the angle grinder. It didn't cut the string completely off, but it kind of got it to where it unraveled some, and I did not feel safe letting my son shoot that bow. So on this trip, I let him shoot my old bow, and I shot the nicked string bow. I don't know if I messed the rest up, got it out of line when I cut it, or what. I'm not trying to make excuses, but for whatever reason, I had a terrible day. But Easton, on the other hand, had a great day. And this is the first time that he has ever shot a bow, period. I think he did great. I saved this video for like a rainy day. We'll call it a chilly day video, because this is back at the end of June of this year. I hope you guys enjoy it.